for our hostess. Ang gaganda.
Parang beauty contest.
Oo, no? Ladies and gentlemen, candidates numbers 1 and 2.
Masaya.
Ang moment na kami dito i-announce ko.
Ito na pala yun, first runner-up and winner. Bago ang lahat, bago natin buksan ang floor for questions, I would just like to hear from Bea and from Andrea. Ano yung pinaka-nararamdaman niyo tonight is basically celebrating the two of you being part of this beautiful family, New Star Online. Anong pakiramdam mo?
Well, for me, it feels great. It feels amazing because I like that New Star is actually supporting and celebrating creativity on like the big stage. Because we all know that Filipinos are very talented. You know, and now we get to show the world what we can do in our own way and do it really well.
I love that so much. It truly is a community more than anything else.
Yes, and actually, I'm really excited that New Star advocates for responsible gaming. And also to answer your question, I'm really excited because this is also my first time working with Ate Bea.
That's right.
So, I'm just really excited kasi ang tagal ko na pong kilala si Ate Bea actually.
Since you were...
Since I was 10 years old.
She was 10 and I was 15.
At yun na po kami nagka-work talaga, like magkasama po.
Matagal ko na talagang baby to.
Yeah, so yun
I'm
na.
proud of the woman that you have become.
I thank you po, Ate Bea. And I'm really happy for you. Yun lang masasabi ko kasi. I'm really happy for Ate Bea.
You know, it's like a full circle moment, you know, iniidolo mo before, nakikita mo, napapanood mo, kilala mo siya, and right now you're working together in one amazing project that celebrates, like what you said, the individuality of Filipinos and celebrates the Filipino community. Now, speaking of the Filipino community, we also have a community here of media outlets, of press, friends from the press, from the media, who have questions prepared for the two of you. So again, sa mga may katanungan po dyan, iangat na po natin ang ating mga kamay, and we will hand the microphone over to where you are. Alright, raise your hands please. Simulan na natin.
Ang dami nag-raise ng hands.
Ay, ano ba? Pero cellphone mali.
I think there's a question.
Ayun, we have a question from over here. Please hand our friends the microphone. Yun nga, yung mga cellphone yung naka-aman. Pero again, we have hashtags going on as the stars have arrived and hashtag New Star Online. So sa mga mag-upload dyan, mga photos, mga videos, i-upload nyo, gamitin natin yung hashtag para mas madali natin makita.
And can I also acknowledge that being in Medusa on a Friday night,
Totoo.
doing your job is amazing. Di ba lahat tayo nasa Friday mood?
Correct. The fantasy of the Friday vibe. Tapos nandito lahat mo nagtatrabaho,
It
nagkakaisa.
doesn't feel like work at all.
Totoo, parang gumimik lang tayo.
Yes!
So actually, nakita ng friends ko na nandito ako, they all message me.
Akala gigil.
Nakakala nila, but no, I'm working.
Wala naman sa Megway mamaya. Balita ko sabi ni Tenong sa mga staff from Medusa, by 10:30.
Hi, Bea and Ann.
Hello!
Ang gandang pareho, di ba? Pero, hindi ko nakita.
Pakilala po tayo, sir.
Yeah, I'm Donan Servino and I'm from Abali TMT and DWAR.
Nice.
So my question is dito na lang. What is it about and Star Online that made the partnership feel authentic for you? Because I'm saying the what is it about and Star Online that made the partners feel authentic?
Okay, that's for both of us?
Yes.
Ako, it's really how they really care about what they do. Like for me, it all boils down, and I think that's the most important thing, having the care, integrity, responsibility, and respect for the audience. And I think it's also very good that we are given now options, because at the end of the day, it's still entertainment.
Okay.
Diba? It's still entertainment, and it is to be enjoyed with much safety and restraint also, feeling, and moderation.
Okay, Andrea.
Yes, for me, authentic kasi when you actually enter the website, as in meron dun important notice for responsible gaming, as in like they really make sure na you are 21 years old and above. They remind us not to play in outdoor places and public places. And meron po talaga nakalagay dun ng 21 and above because it can be addictive, so know when to stop. So they always remind us talaga na, you can have fun, you can enjoy, but in moderation, in control, and just to be mindful. Madaming mindful reminders, so that's why I think this partnership is authentic.
Pero how do you feel yung first na in-offer sa inyo? Anong naramdaman mo?
At first, when they offered me the project,
Yeah.
the way about the project, I already felt na they know what they're doing. You know, parang they know what the market needs. You know what they're offering is elevated. It feels premium but also relatable. So I think that's great. That's very, it's done with taste, class, again with care and thought.
Andrea, ano?
Nung first po na
Aside from, of course, excited ka because first time mo on the house.
Si Ate Bea. I love na tumatak yun. Yes. But of course, masaya po talaga ako to be with Ate Bea. Anyway, when I first got this project, when it was first offered to me, every project naman na I accept, pinag-isip ako naman talaga lahat yon. And isa po sa mga tumatak sa akin as part of their CSR is they will donate to My Choice of Charity. So,
The both of us, yeah.
both of
It's
us,
very
yes. So,
intentional also.
So, isa po yun sa mga tumatak sa akin and I feel like with us, kaya namin mas siguro mag-promote to into something na responsible po for everyone to enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Alam mo ba na? Happy lang. Happy. Oo nga. Ganda-ganda mo nga yung brain. Salamat. Nakakatulong yung love. Maganda sana kung hindi. Siguro. Okay na sana. Kunyari hindi ko alam eh. Maganda yung
Pero hindi, wala kang ano.
Oo,
Bakit ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon? Ayun na yung question. Kanina pa namin sinasabi.
Ay! Say by the bell. Kasi, happiness talaga gives you privilege.
How happy are you in this point of your life? Na parang finally kalmado lahat. Kasi sabi mo nga, di ba? Kalma. Ito lang yung time na hindi ka naghahabol. Tingin mo, balance yung buhay mo. How different is it now?
I don't know if it comes with age or experiences or the people around you or the people you surround yourself with. I think that's very important because right now there's a certain type of, I don't know, calm that comes with that happiness. So parang okay siya.
Anong regalo mo sa sarili mo this year, Bea?
What do you mean, sa birthday ko or sa Christmas?
Both.
Birthday ko! Eh, hindi naman ako maganon sa sarili ko. Although I went to Madrid last week.
Wow.
Nag-celebrate ako dito ng birthday ko and then I went to Madrid by myself last week. Kasi I like doing it. Ano mo yun? Na parang kasi nag-game residence na ako. So I like visiting. And okay siya kasi parang feeling local ka. But, you know, parang you get to enjoy the weather. So parang that's like my happy place.
How's your apartment now?
Okay naman. Doon pa din siya. Walang joke.
Sino yung nag-upkeep?
Meron akong property manager.
Kaya, sabi si Chris Aquino, waiting na siya na mamit ka na. Naghahanda na daw si Chris. Si Chris Aquino, naghahanda na daw na mamit ka ulit.
Ang tagal ko na hindi nakausap at nakita si ate.
Oo. Ninang ba siya?
Ha?
Ninang ata siya. Sorry.
Kanina.
Oo. Hindi. Pero happy ka ba na makikita kay ni Chris?
At sabi nga,
Hindi ko pa nga alam eh, kasi hindi ko pa kami nagkakausap. So,
okay.
nung nakita ko yung, comment, I was just as surprised as you were. So, but I'm happy na, alam mo yun, na nagpo-post siya na siya ulit. Masaya ako to know that she's getting better. And I really cannot wait to see her whenever that would be.
Next project, Bea. What's your next project? We miss you.
Right now, I'm focused on my business and my personal life. But it'll come. Kapag dumating yung tamang proyekto, alam mo naman, ang mga artista may itch yan eh. Diba? Kapag nakita mo yung tamang proyekto, kasi parang kahit na kalmado ako ngayon, I will get out of my shell to do something.
Anong plano for 2026, Beth?
Anong plano? Tagal pa nun?
Malapit na 2 months na lang. Hindi ka na natin nakikita.
Ano bang plano? Hindi ko alam. Wala pa akong plano.
Ano yan? assess ang 2025 mo?
Paano ko?
I-assess.
I-assess? Self-discovery ang nangyari. And kindness to myself and letting myself, ano ba? Letting myself find the right things for me.
Anong in-expect mong gift sa Christmas and then Christmas wish? Ayan na lang.
In-expect kong gift.
Oo, sa Christmas.
Actually, wala naman ako in-expect na gift. Parang masaya na ako sa kung anong meron. Surprise na lang. Although, medyo... kapag gift nga, hindi naman, dapat surprise yun. Basta kung ano yung galing sa puso.
Wish.
Christmas wish? Ano ba Christmas wish ko? Sana makapag-travel ulit kami ng family ko. So this year, hindi kami makakaalis.
Last year kasi, no?
Last year, oh. This year, hindi. So, sana
May plus one. May plus one.
Medyo, kasi meron siya rheumatoid arthritis, medyo Pero, nagkaano pa rin siya, scooter pa din siya. Pero there are days, ganun eh. Kasi autoimmune yun eh. So, there are days na okay siya, there are days na hindi. Depende yun sa stress level. Or
Bea, what's your lifestyle like right now? Now that you found your, kalmadong better half. Better half na ba? Ano ba? I mean, your kalmadong special someone. Ano yung lifestyle mo? Ano na iba?
Parang same pa din naman ako. Tsaka hindi naman nagde-depend yung lifestyle ko sa partner ko. Again, I live in my own terms.
I love it.
And, di ba? Hindi naman siya nakadepende sa
Siya
ibang tao.
mag-adjust.
Hindi naman, ayoko naman pinag-uusapan yung mga love life. But, I can only speak for myself. And, ako kasi parang ilang taon ko din, di ba, pinaghirapan na yung buhay na meron ako ngayon, may monetary and mentally, di ba? So, parang, for me, to find somebody like to enter in your life, dapat pareho ka. Kumbaga, dapat you complement each other. So, lifestyle-wise, ganun pa din, pero siguro parang mas mas kalma. Ayun, nagko-complement lang kayo sa Thank you. Pero mas simple.